Try lighting the sparkler from below. Wow! You're probably wearing your rubber gloves incorrectly. Roll them up like this to stop water from running down your arms. Your sneakers are comfortable, but your socks won't stay up. A panty liner is the solution. Cut it in half and stick the rounded sections to the heels. Now your socks won't slip down. Are you looking for an all-natural remedy to keep flies and mosquitoes at bay? Burn some coffee grounds and rosemary to keep them away. Be careful while using the lighter. You can rub lemon juice on an insect bite if the itching becomes unbearable. Reduces swelling and soothes itching. Here's how to carry your tote bag securely. Properly closed. If the clip on your fanny pack is not reliable, keep it closed by using a cable tie. Super strong. Empty plastic jug? Check out how you can recycle the carrying handle creatively. Handy! Avoid accidental spills. Keep your water bottle upright in your handbag by securing it with a safety pin and a rubber band. Now you don't need to worry. Before putting on a hat, spray a little hairspray onto the inside of it. No more sweat stains! A simple, cute idea for organizing your makeup brushes in the bathroom. To organize your jewelry, you can use a picture frame and an old doily. Beautiful!